prep work necessary. Unfortunately, it wasn't everything. So due to some errors on myself, I didn't fully prep the cart the way I should have. And I spent basically all of Saturday morning practice chasing gremlins, which is bound to happen in a cart that's 10 years old. Missed qualifying, so started from the back of the pack. I had a great start to the race. Green flag drops, I get a great jump going into turn one. I was leading the second pack, and I was really happy about that, but quickly started falling backwards. During my second pit stop, we found that my axle was shifting, which was the cause for practice issues and everything prior to that. So during second stop, we got that fixed, put me about 5 laps, maybe more, back, got on track, and just kept pushing and continuously went. Our minimum was 5 pit stops, and on the 5th pit stop, I asked how much time was. We had about 30 minutes left in the race, so I was feeling good. Shortly after my final pit stop, I ended up throwing a chain on the far side of the track, had no way of getting the cart back and getting everything fixed. Unfortunately, that was my race. I finished 11th in class in the senior category. Not super happy about finishing the result, but I'm really happy that I was able to make the race. I learned a lot from it. I can go into 2019 with a much better plan, and I'm not going to be stressing out about building a cart. Now it's fine-tuning it, making adjustments, and making it reliable. The plan for 2019 is to race the Speed Sports kind of mini series, which I think is going to start later in the season, and then finish off with the reindeer run. What I would like to do is maybe make a couple trips to Arizona and race my other cart in the Southwest Carters Endurance Series as well. So yeah, either way, really happy. I was able to race 2018 reindeer run. Didn't go my way, but at least I raced. I ran for 2 hours, which was better than my previous race in Tucson. Every time I get in the cart, my progress is increasing. Thank you guys for watching my series and coming with me on this journey. It means a lot to me that you guys take time out of your lives to see what I've been working on for the last 6 months. I can't wait to see what the future holds and to be able to share with you guys everything I'm doing here.